The general design category recognizes site-specific works of landscape architecture that exhibit distinction in design, function, context, and environmental responsibility. Receiving honor awards in general design are Teardrop Park by Michael Van Valkenburg Associates for the Hugh L. Carey Battery Park City Authority. The jury called this 1.8-acre public park a true urban oasis. The landscape architect led this multidisciplinary effort, which features steeply sloped planted areas, groves of trees, water play rocks, and a stone reading circle. The park's impeccable green credentials include stormwater capture to supply all of its irrigation needs and native plantings that help jumpstart a renewed ecology. McAllen Building by Landwork Studio for Pappas Properties. This 12-story LEED Gold certified residential condominium seamlessly blends cutting-edge urban architecture and landscape architecture with a razor-sharp environmental agenda. The landscape architecture encompasses a tree-lined public court, an occupiable garden and pool landscape atop the garage, and a steep green roof landscape. This project takes humble materials and makes them sing, the jurors said. Changi Airport Terminal 3 interior landscape by Tierra Design for the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore. A 50-foot-tall vertical planting evoking a Southeast Asian equatorial rainforest softens this otherwise cavernous 10-story interior. The wall spans 1,000 feet of the 1,300-foot-long building. Supporting the tapestry of green is a system of cantilevered I-beams and cable-holding planting troughs. The jury was enamored with the project's different and wonderful plant selections. The Museum of Modern Art Roof Garden by Ken Smith, landscape architect for the Museum of Modern Art. The jury called this project graphic design at a city scale. Clearly visible from Midtown Manhattan on high, this new Japanese Zen-inspired viewing roof garden came with a modest budget and an existing roof structure with a limited live load. The material palette includes natural crushed stone, recycled glass, and recycled rubber mulch, as well as artificial boxwood plants and rocks. Observation Balloon Preview Park, Orange County Great Park by Workshop West, Ken Smith, landscape architect for Orange County Great Park. The 27-acre Preview Park serves as a visitor center, entertainment venue, and prototype for the overall Great Park project. 1,347 acres that will become living, commerce, and lifelong learning places. Anchored by an orange 30-person observation balloon that rises 500 feet. The Preview Park introduces landscape prototypes that eventually will fill Great Park. The jury rated the project as truly exceptional. Chang'e Canal Project by Mick Young Kim Design for the Seoul Metropolitan Government. These two urban superblocks form an important focal point on a 7-mile-long green corridor that's part of an ambitious effort to restore a highly polluted, covered waterway. It honors the 9 provinces of this historic area through use of 9 sources of water. The jury called it a landmark project with great promise for the future. Museo dell'Acero Orno by Surface Design Incorporated and Harari Arquitectos for the Museo dell'Acero Orno. The jury said this 3.7-acre project represents a medley of great design inspirations that are applied so well throughout. A team of international designers collaborated to transform a decommissioned blast furnace and brownfield site into this modern museum. It extensively and intensively employs green roofs and sustainable water management strategies.